Good afternoon, students. Today let me learn Unit 12 Carbonyl Compounds and Carboxylic Acid lesson. Preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Preparation of aldehyde and ketone. We know the functional group aldehyde CHO, ketone C double bond O. Already we learned that the oxidation of primary alcohol gives aldehyde and secondary alcohol gives ketone. Primary alcohol example CH3 CH2OH. This primary alcohol is oxidized to form aldehyde CH3 CHO. CH2OH is a primary alcohol group that is converted into aldehyde. Similarly, secondary alcohol is a CH3 CH3 CHOH. On oxidation, the secondary alcohol group is converted into ketone CH3 COCH3. So, primary alcohol is oxidized to form aldehyde. Secondary alcohol oxidized to form ketone. Oxidizing agent are sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7, sodium dichromate and potassium permanganate. These are using oxidizing agent. Second preparation is a ozonolysis. So ozonolysis means reaction with ozone. See the alkene double bond. Okay, CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH3 plus O3. O3 is a ozone. How many carbon is there? 4 carbon. Okay, so 4 carbon means root word bute. That second carbon having double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon having the double bond. So bute 2 ene. Okay. So during ozonolysis, see that a double bond CH double bond CH is there. That double bond break. That oxygen will join that group. Okay. So double bond broken that bond and oxygen is connected O3. Okay. Linked to carbon bond. Then this ozone again treated with this is a ozonide. Okay, that ozonide reacted with zinc dust. So that zinc reacted with this oxygen to form zinc oxide. Zinc combined with oxygen to form zinc oxide, remaining CH3CHO, CH3CHO. That bond cleavage like this. Okay. See the second one is a 2-methyl-butene. Okay, 2-methyl. Second group having the substitution group. Okay, 2-methyl-2-butene. Ozonolysis reaction with ozone to form ozonide. Then again reacted with zinc dust to form ethanol. Next, third reaction is a hydration of alkynes. Alkyne is a triple bond compound. CH triple bond CH 2 carbon. So ethane. Hydrolysis addition of water HOH in presence of mercury sulfate and sulfuric acid. Okay, in this reaction here triple bond is there. So one bond, the first bond broken, that water split into H plus and OH minus. H OH. Okay, we will get CH double bond CHOH. Okay, so then this compound is called enol. Then enol is isomerized. You know isomerization, okay, or isomers. Same structural formula but different molecular formula. Okay, so here that carbon 2 carbon is there in enol. Carbon 2 carbon there, 4 hydrogen there, 1 oxygen there. Okay, so we want to change that structure CH3 CHO, that is ethanol. That ethanol also 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Next one, hydration of alkynes other than acetylene gives ketone. Okay, here also we are using the alkyne compound. Hydration, addition of water. Okay, we are using the alkane other than acetylene. Okay, we are taking that alkyne is prop 19, 3 carbon prop, first carbon having triple bond, so prop 19, it is hydrolyzed. Okay, triple bond, that one bond broken, one side OH, another side hydrogen will join. Okay, so the compound CH3 single bond COH double bond CH2. Then you should write the isomers CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is a ketone. Propanone, 3 carbons, so propanone. The next reaction from calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Calcium methonate. Calcium methonate heated in tri-distillation to form formaldehyde, that is methanol. Only 1 carbon, so methanol and calcium carbonate CaCO3, remaining HCHO. Okay, HCHO. Then second reaction is a calcium ethonate. 2 molecules of calcium ethonate is heated in tri-distillation process, that 2 molecules of calcium carbonate will form, remaining CH3 C double bond O H, that is ethanol. 2 molecules of ethanol and calcium carbonate. The next reaction is a symmetrical ketone. The symmetrical ketone is obtained by tri-distillation of calcium salt of carboxylic acid. That calcium salt of carboxylic acid is calcium ethonate. So calcium compound 2 methyl group is there. Okay, 2 carbon is there, so ethane. Calcium ethonate heated by tri-distillation to form propanone or dimethyl ketone. Next one is a preparation of aldehydes. Rosenman reduction, that is a naming a reaction. Acetyl chloride is reduction in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Reduction means addition of hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. So hydrogen two hydrogen is there. Okay, one hydrogen combine with the chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. Only one hydrogen combine with the Cl. Okay, HCl. In that place hydrogen will joined. Okay, so that compound name is acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. That reaction is called Rosenman reduction. So the next name reaction is a Stefan's reactions. Stefan's reaction, the reactant is a methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide formula CH3C triple bond N. Methyl cyanide reduced to tin chloride and hydrochloric acid. Stefan's reaction also reduction reaction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Okay, so in the triple bond, one bond broken one side, one hydrogen, another side another hydrogen, we will get CH3 single bond CH, double bond NH. Okay, then again hydrolyzed. Okay, hydrolyzed means addition of water. Okay, here double bond is there, that one bond broken one side OH, another side hydrogen, we will get acetaldehyde, CH3 single bond CHO plus NH2 amine. Next reaction is a selective reduction of cyanide. Okay, selective reduction of cyanide means we are selecting the substance diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, so selective substance is a diisobutyl aluminum hydride. See the reaction, 6 carbon is there, so hexane compound, 4th carbon containing CN, that is CN IUPAC name is nitrile. Hex 4 double bond is there, so in nitrile. Okay, it is reduced to diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So during hydrolysis, okay, see the reaction, that cyanide, C triple bond N is a cyanide, that cyanide bond broken, that one side OH, another side hydrogen. Okay, so CH3CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2, CH2, CHO, hex 4 enol. The next one is a preparation of benzaldehyde. How to prepare benzaldehyde? Etrod reaction. So Etrod reaction is we are taking the methyl benzene or toluene. Toluene, benzene linked to methyl group, that is toluene. Toluene reacted with chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride is a CrO2 Cl2 in presence of carbon disulfide. Okay, in presence of carbon disulfide, we will get a intermediate compound, then hydrolyzed we will get benzaldehyde. Next one name reaction is a Caterman-Koch reaction. Benzene reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in presence of aluminum chloride or copper chloride to form benzaldehyde. Okay, so benzene reacted with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid to form benzaldehyde. The next one is a manufacture of benzaldehyde from toluene. Toluene reacted with chlorine in presence of sunlight. Okay, H nu. So that here how many chlorine molecule reacted? 2 chlorine molecule reacted. Okay, so that 2 hydrogen combine with 2 chlorine to liberate hydrogen chloride. Another instead of removing that hydrogen, 2 molecular chlorine will join in toluene group. Okay, so we will get benzol chloride CHCl2. Here we removed 2 hydrogen. Okay, then hydrolyzed. So this hydrolyzed, that water separated into 2 hydrogen is there, no, that 2 hydrogen combined with 2 Cl to form 2 HCl. Remaining CHO is there, that is benzaldehyde. Next one, preparation of ketones. Ketone can be prepared by the action of acid chloride with dialkyl cadmium. Here acid chloride is a CH3C double bond O Cl. Okay, so 2 molecules of acetyl chloride reacted with dimethyl cadmium. So CdCl combined to form CdCl2. So remaining we will get CH3C double bond O CH3, one of the compound. The next compound is a CH3C double bond O CH3. Next one is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Already studied this reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. So acetyl chloride reacted with benzene. Okay, so that benzene, each corner having the hydrogen, that hydrogen combine with this chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid. That remaining group linked to benzene, COCH3, acetophenone. So the next one, benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride C6H5COCl. That also this hydrogen combine with the Cl to form HCl. We will get the product benzophenone.